In the previous video, you listed details about your job. In this video, you will insert a table to organize your accomplishments according to how they match your employer's priorities and goals. Adding specific qualities you have as an employee and matching them to what matters to your employer can help you strengthen your case for getting a raise. To start, go to the end of your list and insert a table. Include 2 columns across and at least 5 rows down. Type a title at the top of each column, one for the qualities your employer values most, and one for how your work and skills fit with what your employer prioritizes. Next, make a list of skills, values, and qualifications that your employer views as important in the left-hand column. To help you fill in employer priorities, you might look at the employee handbook or your employer's website. Often, a business lists what it prioritizes under its mission statement or company values. Think of someone at work you admire or who was promoted or recognized. List the qualities they have that make them such a great worker. Rely on your own experience. Think about what you have noticed on the job, things your supervisor has said to you, or items that were mentioned in your last performance review. For example, employer priorities might include items such as customer service, efficiency, reliability, or teamwork. Fill in the column in your table with your own terms. Next to each employer value, list a specific duty you performed, a skill you have, or an accomplishment that matches that priority. You might use a quote from a customer satisfaction survey or from a coworker. Or you might type in a task you perform that matches what your employer prioritizes. Think of a time you took on extra work or helped out a coworker. Include times you experienced success on the job. List specific ways you have shown through your work that you value the same qualities and strengths your employer thinks are important. When you are finished, review your list. Try to think like your employer. Are these all strong arguments for a raise? If not, refine them. To make your column headings stand out, bold them. Now, it's your turn. Insert a table in your document with 2 columns and at least 5 rows. Title one column for your employer's priorities and the other for your accomplishments. Fill in rows with employer priorities. Fill in rows with your skills and accomplishments. Add rows if needed and bold column headings.